Hello all. I'm Ceasar. I come from Mexico City, and I only want to share that my experience here at Adishakti Chala has been great. I did the DTC 200 hours, and it has been one of the most humbling and fulfilling experiences that I have had in my life. Before coming here, I was in a crossroad in my life, trying to look out for answers and paths where to go. And now I know that all the answers are in within. So I just want to thank all the teachers, my masters, all the staff here that has made this experience wonderful and really, really great. I cannot say thank you enough for everything that I've learned here and all the knowledge and wisdom that I'm taking back home. So really, thank you guys. Thank you for everything. Namaste.